Here is a beginner-level e-commerce manager quiz that covers e-commerce platform management, product information management, PIM, and inventory and stock synchronization. Question 1. What is the primary function of an e-commerce manager? A. Managing social media ads. B. Overseeing in-store retail operations. C. Managing an online store's platform, inventory, and digital sales channels. And D. Handling customer service complaints. Answer: managing an online store's platform, inventory, and digital sales channels. Question 2. Which of the following is an example of an e-commerce platform? A. Shopify, B. Google Analytics, C. Canva, and D. QuickBooks. Answer: Shopify. Question 3. What is the primary advantage of using a hosted e-commerce platform like Shopify or BigCommerce? A. Full control over website coding. B. Requires no technical knowledge to set up and manage. C. Custom-built payment gateways. And D. Requires extensive server management. Answer: requires no technical knowledge to set up and manage. Question 4. What does product information management, PM, help with? A. Managing in-store customer service. B. Managing company finances. C. Creating website banners and advertisements. And D. Storing, organizing, and distributing product data across different channels. Answer: storing, organizing, and distributing product data across different channels. Question 5. Which of the following is not a key feature of a product information management (PIM) system? A. Centralizing product data. B. Managing supplier invoices. C. Automating product updates across multiple sales channels. And D. Ensuring accurate and consistent product descriptions. Answer: managing supplier invoices. Question 6. Why is inventory synchronization important in e-commerce? A. It prevents overselling and stockouts. B. It makes the website load faster. C. It reduces shipping costs. And D. It helps with customer reviews. Answer: it prevents overselling and stockouts. Question 7. What tool is commonly used for real-time inventory tracking? A. Google Docs. B. Enterprise Resource Planning, ERP software. C. Instagram Ads Manager. And D. Microsoft Word. Answer: Enterprise Resource Planning, ERP software. Question 8. Which type of inventory system updates stock levels automatically after a sale? A. Manual stock entry. B. Static inventory. C. Periodic inventory system. And D. Perpetual inventory system. Answer: perpetual inventory system. Question 9. What is an example of omnichannel inventory management? A. Keeping separate stock for online and offline stores. B. Syncing inventory across a website, mobile app, and physical store. C. Selling products only through a single online store. And D. Not tracking stock levels at all. Answer: syncing inventory across a website, mobile app, and physical store. Question 10. Which file format is commonly used for bulk uploading product data to an e-commerce platform? A. CSV, B. PDF, C. JPEG, and D. MP4. Answer: CSV. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. Which platform allows integration of multiple sales channels like Amazon, eBay, and Instagram? A. Google Ads, B. Facebook, C. Shopify, and D. Microsoft Excel. Answer: Shopify. Question 12. Which of these is not an e-commerce platform? A. Magento, B. WordPress, C. WooCommerce, and D. BigCommerce. Answer: WordPress. Question 13. What is the key benefit of dropshipping in e-commerce? A. No need to manage inventory or warehousing. B. Lower transaction fees. C. Better control over product quality. And D. Faster shipping than traditional models. Answer: no need to manage inventory or warehousing. Question 14. Which tool is used for tracking e-commerce sales performance? A. Zoom, B. Photoshop, C. Trello, and D. Google Analytics. Answer: Google Analytics. Question 15. What is the role of an order management system, OMS, in e-commerce? A. Handling payroll for employees. B. Managing and tracking customer orders from purchase to delivery. C. Creating promotional images for a website. And D. Managing email marketing campaigns. Answer: managing and tracking customer orders from purchase to delivery. Question 16. Which payment gateway is commonly used in e-commerce transactions? A. Stripe, B. Adobe Photoshop, C. Microsoft Excel, and D. Google Drive. Answer: Stripe. Question 17. What is the biggest challenge in managing inventory for an e-commerce business? A. Managing employee schedules. B. Keeping up with social media trends. C. Preventing stockouts and overstocking. And D. Designing a company logo. Answer: preventing stockouts and overstocking. Question 18. Which of these improves e-commerce website performance? A. High-resolution images with no compression. B. Optimized caching and content delivery networks, CDN. C. Having all products on a single web page. And D. Using only text-based product descriptions. Answer: optimized caching and content delivery networks, CDN. Question 19. What is a common reason for cart abandonment in e-commerce? A. Lack of free shipping options. B. Fast checkout process. C. Personalized product recommendations. And D. Mobile-friendly design. Answer: lack of free shipping options. Question 20. Which of the following ensures product data consistency across different sales channels? A. Manually updating each platform. B. PDF catalogs. C. PIM, Product Information Management System. And D. Hiring more staff for customer service. Answer: PIM, Product Information Management System. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.